Ayo guys, what's poppin'? So guys, how is your day going? Mine is doing great. So today we're going to start the series of Subway Surfers. Thank you to my cousin for doing fan art. At the corner of the fan art, brilliant picture of Subway Surfers. Thank you very much, Rasheen, for doing that for me. And yeah, so stop debating and just get on with it. No. What? Oh yeah, now I get down in this game. Okay, first moves. I know what this game is. It's like turning me to the tutorial. The tutorial. To tap. You rock, now go. Yay. So this is the start of the series of Subway Surfers. Of course, Oisin Davern loves this series so much, and I'd like to thank him for liking it so much. I've never been supported well. Like, I know it's not. I know one person isn't that supportive, but like, yeah, you know what I mean. Oh no, I died. Oh well, I died. So yeah, 1,000 coins. That's nice. That's nice. There's my new house, guys. Of course, I got rid of the game. Of course, I know this is the start of the series. There's going to be a video tomorrow about this. There's going to be another video. I'm going to start the series on Battleground. And I promise to do Battleground. I always say I'll do something like Battleground. Even though this is probably my first video mentioning Battleground in it. It's the offspring of Fortnite. It's the old version of Fortnite. You guys surely know it. And he's just single-handedly obliterated me there. That's all nice. That's all nice. Because this is the start of the weekend, so that means videos are coming every day to you from my channel and probably other people's as well, because they record on the weekend. Why is he single-handedly catching me by the foot and just bringing me wherever the hell he wants? He's like, I'm gonna kidnap you. And guys, if you're new here and you want me to keep on doing videos like this, like Subway Surfers and all that kind of stuff, hit that subscribe button and like my videos if you want to see more like this practically. So yeah, I cannot beat my high score. I can't beat my high score. There's some people out there that get like 1 billion score. Like, I can't even beat my 1,400. It's just the way it is, like, so. Yeah, I got this game. And I was like, what could I do with this game? And I said, oh yeah, I'll make a YouTube video and I'll start a series on it. So I thought it'd be a good idea. So here I am now recording this video, probably up by tomorrow morning. Of course today's Saturday, so, no, Friday. So it'll probably be up Saturday morning. It could even be up during the night, so that's all. Wait, what? I swiped. Like, it was like, no. Oh my god, I beat my high score, I think. Did I beat my high score? Wait, why am I doubling? I don't want to double. Because the video's going to be like 14 minutes long. Not even, I think I'll just get tired of recording. And just do my own thing. Why? No! No! Guys, don't blame me if I put Subway Surfers in the title and it shows up this. Because, like, it happened in my Geometry Dash video and yeah, didn't end out well. Yes, I beat my score by like 400. No. Next objective, beat other people's high score. So yeah, that's gonna be the next objective for me. Then when I move on through the days, I'm gonna keep on playing different games. No! I'm saving myself. I'm not dying that early. Oh, parachute. Get ready. Boom. No, I'm not collecting the coins. Why? Why am I not? Wait, what? I don't know. I'm like, just paused it for some reason. I was like, no, I'm not agreeing with you, Rory. I'll just do my own thing. So, by far, I'm enjoying this game. I hope you guys are enjoying this game so far. And I hope you want me to do more of this, because I really want to do more of this. But it's up to the people. The people are our decisions. So yeah, wait, I'm beating other people's high scores. So does that mean I'm beating my own high score? I'm not paying attention at all. Yes, oh god, I beat it by like 1,100. Ooh, that's nice. And I like the new layout of the game. It's in Chicago now. So yeah, I'm gonna grab the manic now, and I could just run it one side, gather up all these coins, and just finish this course of coins here. And my magnet ran out. That's all good. Parachute! And guys, I'd like to congratulate my cousin for getting a new puppy and Oliver for getting a new puppy. You all know Lord 2007. Yes, you do know him. And he is named Oliver. You already know that. You guys ain't stupid. You guys are smart from the top of your head, smarter than me probably. So, yeah. Like in every video I say so, yeah. You know, and I just say stupid things. So, but there again, I get too carried away. And by the way, I'm too bad at this game. Wait, no. No. Okay, there's something wrong with my tablet because I did not break the ice quarter. I just gone all silent, all concentrating, no confirmed. And guys, you know it's the weekend. I think I already published it. Not published, said it. It's the weekend, so that means more videos. That means we have fun days and no school and yeah. Most people hate school, you know what? I'm a part of that gang. Apart from having to talk to the teachers, that's good because then you get to know the teachers more about what you know what they're as a given out. So what I swiped. Shall I just do I'm gonna do a full video on this. I wanna see it. But I'm gonna stop cursing on my YouTube channel. So I think my swiping is all good now. Yeah. My swiping all good. I'll know that when I'm about to die. I'm just gonna swipe by, see what happens. Get to 2 times. And guys, comment down below what you want me to do next. What game you want me to do next. I'll do anyone. Except for any Peppa Pig stupid stuff that I know one person will publish in. So there's like a guy from like Shamblemore. He's just like, oh, I've played this Peppa Pig paint box and all this crap and oh my god, my swiping skills got me past my obstacle there. I hate this part. I think this is my favourite. I'm so close to beat my own score, and guess what happened? I died. Yeah. I have 4 more minutes in this video. Because if you didn't, sub to Mark Walship and get to 100 subs once again. Sub to Oliver, LordTube 2007 even. Who else? Sub to Margot Avron. Yeah, I know. Sub to Margot Avron. That is my cousin that I was talking about earlier. With the excellent fan art, the lovely fan art that he did. Yeah, his YouTube channel, he has it on his mum's phone, so there's nothing wrong with that either. I'm not complaining. Like I'm doing my recording on a tablet right now, and for my birthday I'm gonna get a Canon. I don't know what you call them, it's like a Canon 3X or something. They have new cameras out, Canon 3X 6.3, and it's like super high quality. And I have to get a mic and all, so I've got a lot to get. I've got loads of PCs to get. That was moving way too fast for me. Oh, for God's sake. What am I? I'm like... Okay, I beat Sachin, I beat Sultan, I beat Addy. They're all like people from one country. No. What's the highest score? Like, this is what I'm talking about. Shaswata should be up in the bloody Diamond League. Whatever that is. 58,900... No. 589,443 score. Yeah, that is pretty much what happens. I'm just gonna buy something now. Hoverboard. We all know what these are. Hoverboard. No, 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 no. But I said no. So how about that? Oh, that's why. Alright, alright. I'm gonna play one more score, one more, open the box, and end the video. Actually, I'm gonna end the video here. So guys, I hope you have a great weekend. I hope you enjoyed this video, and hope you guys just have a general good weekend. I probably already said it before, but guys, I'll see you later, and hope you have a good one. Peace.